What's going on, guys? I hope y'all are enjoying this Puerto Rico vlog series. I know I am. It's been a blast out here. It's early in the morning right now, bro. It's like 6:30 and our worker is coming to work today. So we got up early. Bro's having breakfast.
Oatmeal with bananas and protein powder and spirulina.
Honestly, that looks pretty good. Yeah. I'm gonna go down to the store and get another egg and potato sandwich like they made me yesterday. And that was really good. So I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna come back. We're gonna get right to work. And I'll see you guys out on the farm. Oh, and if you're not already subscribed, please consider going down there and hitting that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you hated it, give me a thumbs down and go down in the comments and fucking tell me why. Why? All right. See you on the farm. All right, worker is here. Time to get started. Okay, it's trash day in Las Marias and Anones. The trash truck is coming right now. So I had to scramble to get all the trash that I picked up, get it bagged up into one big bag. And you can probably see the trash can right there. Yeah, all right, they're coming to pick up the trash. We're about to get to work. Let's go, let's get pumped. Let's do this. I'm gonna start right here this morning and get all this cleared up, get this tree mulched, and then we're gonna just move down the line here until we get to the end over there. And then we're gonna go back uphill here towards the house and get the trees going up towards the house done. Oh, here comes Hebo. Hi, Hebo. Good morning. Oh, here comes bro. Man, you ready to put in some work? Those bananas look good, bro. So we're making some really good progress. Basically, we're just going around, clearing around all the trees my brother has planted, and we're mulching them really good, and then we're gonna come back and fertilize them. Throw some Epsom salts down for the magnesium, and put some different fertilizers on there. So as you can hear, my brother's running the weed eater behind me. It's hot today, guys. It's hot, but I'm staying hydrated, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling motivated, and this place is looking amazing, and we're gonna do a farm tour later on today, so I can't wait to show you guys. Stay tuned, get pumped. Today is just getting started. Let's go. We're also trying to get rid of clumps of grass like this, so I'm gonna take this little tool and try to hack away at it. Alright y'all, it looks so freaking good out here. I gotta show you just a sneak peek. Take a look. This is still a work in progress, but, well, it's all still a work in progress, but my goodness, what a difference. You can see all the way over to the star fruit. Still a work in progress, but man, what a difference. What a freaking difference. What's for lunch today, bro?
Leftovers.
Leftovers, black beans.
Black beans.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Yummy.
What?
Perfect. I think I'm gonna go get me a sandwich, man.
Go get your sandwich, man.
I will. Hell yeah. Alright, y'all. I walked down to the store. I got my sandwich. I was so excited to eat when I came back up that I just ate it and I didn't even pick up the camera, so I apologize. I'm on the phone with my wife. Say hi, sugar. Talking to her for a second, and then we're gonna get back down here and do some more work. Ah, there it is. work is done for the day. My brother and I, we have the vision to go down and take a natural shower in the natural spot. So we're gonna go take a shower, and then we're gonna run to San Sebastian. We're gonna do a couple errands, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little while. Stay cool. It's hot out here.
Bro.
Is that where you take a shower, bro? Shower, natural shower right there. That's a spring shower.
Bro, I gotta take care of my feet, bro.
How often do you come shower here, man?
Not very often anymore, but I used to come here every single day. Y'all wanna go running water?
Now, oh yeah.
I got running water now. I don't come here too often, but this used to be the shower I came to every single day. Cold as crap, straight from the mountain.
Look at the setup. That's pretty good right there.
Bro, I'm trying to shower here.
Yeah, trying to shower.
I'm a swivel, bro.
Alright, so super thankful that in Texas we have HEBs, but this Econo in San Sebastian is really not terrible. They have a lot of stuff. Check it out. What did we get, bro?
Show them up. We got
Apples, papayas, tomatoes,
yucca
spinach,
pizza,
yucca, carrots,
orange juice,
and all that
sweet
stuff
potato,
down there.
peanut butter.
Yeah, we got a good haul.
Throw it up in here.
So that all was like 30 something bucks, and that's gonna feed us good for the next few days until I go home. We're lapped now, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we are.
What you got there, man? Kavita?
Kavita. It's so refreshing.
Bro, wait till you see the shots I got.
Woo!
Wow. It's fucking
Got
nice,
some
bro.
shots?
Wait till I see the shots.
Yes.
Yo, what's up, vlog? We're here at the gas station getting some gas so we can weed eat some stuff tomorrow. My brother's gonna do it here. I just paid him $4.20.
Honestly, we do what we can.
Yeah, bro, we're tired. I wouldn't even feel that, bro.
Whoa.
Yeah. Gracias. Oh, thanks, man.
Huh?
It's all thanks. Thanks for all that hard work you're putting in.
Every time we come home, I have to get one of these little treats for Hebo. And that's his reward for being a good boy and staying where he's supposed to.
Down. Hebo, down!
Wow, he does good.
You stay. You sleeping? Why are you yawning so much, you sleepy boy? I can tell in your eyeballs you're sleepy. I can see it in your eye. You stay.
Here you go, bro.
You stay. Get over here. Come on. Come here. Good boy. Thanks for not chasing whoever. Thanks for not chasing whoever. Even Gusto went out.
That's good, huh?
Gusto went to chase someone and you didn't.
Yeah, I don't cut anything the same size, man. Like, they're all different.
Yeah, I see that.
That way your mouth doesn't know it's good.
What's for dinner tonight, man?
I don't know, bro. Same thing as always, I guess.
Same thing as always.
Yeah.
Same shit, different form.
Yeah, curry soup today.
Yeah, that's a white sweet potato, carrot, curry soup with brown rice. That's a jam, bro. Bro's cooking up dinner. I'm gonna start sweeping out the house here, start getting things cleaned up a little bit. We've been living like pigs, so we're gonna get cleaned up a little bit. We're gonna have dinner, and yeah, enjoy this little time lapse of my brother cooking dinner. Alright, y'all. Just chilling on the back porch with my brother, enjoying the beautiful sunset. We just missed it though, I didn't grab the camera in time. I don't know how to fix the exposure on this. I wish I could see all the way down to the ocean. You kinda can. I can see it in real life. Hey, back up, Gusto. This is what's for dinner. White sweet potato, carrots, ended up throwing some lentils in there over brown rice. Looking good. Can't wait to chow down. I'm gonna end today's video right here, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. To all my new subscribers, hello, hey, how you doing? Thanks for subscribing. Looks like there's a fire just across the way from us. You can actually see the fire right there if you focus. Huh, interesting. Hopefully we get some rain soon. Anyway, thanks guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my brother, Hayden Eskew. Hayden Eskew on YouTube. Peace, guys.